Dzień dobry.
Dzień
Good
dobry.
afternoon, everybody. Just another day in Poznan. Yes, we are just back in Poznan. Kochani, where we are?
In the corner of the Ratajczaka and Święty Marcin Street, and we are going to the square. Alright.
But first of all, we will have a coffee. I'll show you one coffee shop that's very nice actually.
Actually, now we are trying to explore every single day, every different coffee, because there's quite a lot of coffee shops in Poznan. So let's go.
Kochani. This small coffee shop is very cute. I like the art, latte art, and the table. It's very nice, tak?
You don't need to be in Bali to enjoy the Japan cafe experience. Super nice. And everybody are nice and smile to you as well, including Danish.
A very nice coffee shop, and I see that so many young people also going there. And now we will take you to go exploring at these summer holidays, because today is holiday in Poland. It's about army holiday or something like that.
The army and also the religion,
Yes.
also holiday.
Something like that. And then yes, let's explore how it is to walk here. Kochani, you usually drive, but today we just simply walking and enjoying the time, right?
Drive this actually 8 hours today already.
Already?
Oh.
Okay, but now we will show the people how it is Poznan, right? During the long holiday. So this one is considered as the eat street here.
They have Istanbul kebab
Tak.
and the ice cream somewhere.
Yes.
And the tram I think is
Yeah. And what I see is that it is a long holiday, but still, maybe because Poznan is not a tourist city, right, Kochani?
tourist city.
And even this restaurant is not that busy. Like this one, Thai restaurant, my Pandrai.
Poznan is like a Perth in Western Australia, just nicer. Okay, sorry. It's just the same equivalent, okay? But my brother bro Mick will answer for that comment as well, yeah? Let's see what you're gonna say.
Yeah. So you see on the left, on the right side, it's simply, I don't know, enjoyable to walk.
And I just remember, we don't have, what's that, this part of Perth, what everybody told me to don't go because they're gonna kill me there. I forgot, Black Bridge or something like that. We don't have it like that. Wherever you're gonna go, nobody will kill you here.
Yes, so like I walk every day alone, I feel safe. Okay, in front of me is the Kocak, one coffee shop, and on the right is the ramen restaurant. Yeah, so busy. The Kocak restaurant, and here is the Zen on restaurant. Oh, they've got 2 times Michelin guide. Kochani, next time we can go there, tak? Let's have a ramen.
Ramennya.
Yes.
Ramennya with sushi.
Tak. Okay, we keep going basically. Yeah. It's nice. I mean, it's not the very hot. It was a 30 degree this afternoon. Yeah. It's still enjoyable to
There
walk.
are nice goats there.
Yeah.
The goats are the symbol of Poznan.
Tak. People walking and riding bicycle, and this one is the mall. I think the mall. No, maybe only the restaurant.
The restaurant maybe.
Tak. Church basically, and in front of me is the Czech Republic restaurant. And here on the left is a nice coffee shop. I think that I was there before, Kochani.
Where?
This coffee
In
shop.
this mill?
Tak.
Yeah, me too. I think one day, but I never filmed there.
Yes, and here behind you nice Kamienica. Hotel or Kamienica?
This is Kamienica, but I don't know what is inside. I think offices, but maybe apartments as well. In the corner of Półwiejska Street and the Wrocławska Street, where we are going to the market square, And behind me is the nice kamienica, what is under the refurbishment. It's gonna be finished at the end of this year. It's gonna be actually very beautiful place now. And on the other side is Półbiejska Street. There are some buskers singing, so maybe we can have a look. The legendary Wrocławska Street.
Yes, so we will walk and showing you how busy it is. Right, kochanie? Let's set here. This is the map of the Stare Miasto, Old Town, southern part. Let's go. Yes, kochanie? Oh, so we walk and walk. Actually, this is the situation during a summer holiday, and I think like all the restaurant is already open. On the left, on the right. Yeah. Nice restaurant. Walking straight. On the left. Oh. And that's the kamienica on the top. Nice. I think this one is the going. If we go straight over there, that will be Stare Rynek, basically. On the right, many nice bars. Honey, when I walk here like this, I feel like we walk in the walking street. What is it called in Vietnam?
Yeah,
Right?
something like that.
That's
It's very nice, actually.
Yes. But here is different vibe. I think really it is much busier than the everyday where I walk usually, you know. And that's the kamienica. Yes. Maybe just because of holiday. There's a barabu over there.
Another one?
Tak.
Many bananas.
I think that barabu is the Poznan product, you know.
I guess.
I mean Poznan restaurant. Oh, what is this? This one is the ceramic? Boleslaviec?
Tak,
Ceramic?
I guess.
Ah. Oh, this one pizza restaurant? I think that later must be much busier. Pizza topia, kochanie. You wanna have a pizza?
Pizza. Sayang, look at that. That looks like an Elmax.
Yeah, I know. And look at the paintings on the wall. You never walk like this. I never take you for a walk like this, kochanie. And here is another restaurant. Yeah. Wrocławka Street. Yes, so we arrive in the Stare Rynek. That's the center. Wow. It's quite busy. Nice sunset gonna be. Okay, so I'll show you around how it looks. This is the market square. And I think it's that just because of now long weekend, right? It's busier than normal days, kochanie, tak? And you see the restaurant on the right. Actually, with this sunshine going to the building, I can see that the colors now is more clearer. There's piano music over there. Nice.
Actually, the guy is playing piano there.
This is what I'm saying before.
Interesting.
Yes. Yes. It's obviously much busier than normal days. Ah, this building actually, whenever you take a picture and put it in Instagram, this building is always like in the Instagram. The colorful kamienica. And that's the city hall.
Tak.
You just enjoy it, huh?
Tak, I just enjoy.
Right. That's the colorful city hall and the fountain. So I'm gonna show you this part basically. Yes, this is how actually during our summer holidays. On the right, restaurant. I think that there is no empty table ko hanya in the restaurant.
Very busy, eh?
Uh-huh. Oops. It's nice. Yes, it is very busy. It's enjoyable to walk actually. Oh, this one. And in front of me, this one is another traditional Polish restaurant, Bamberka. This one is long time ago is the Urzon building, like office building. Yeah, that's another restaurant on the right. That is yeah, it's busy, but it's not as busy as in Gdansk, but still enjoyable.
Very enjoyable, isn't it? Quite a lot of people after the refurbishment of the market square, isn't it?
Yes, and what I see is that, yeah,
But
it's
still
nice.
quieter than Gdańsk, so it's more
Yes.
enjoyable.
Yeah.
But it's also beautiful, actually.
Yeah. What restaurant is this?
Pyszna chałupa will be Czech again.
Oh, Czech Republic restaurant. Another basker. I just realized this building. Look at this.
Nice painting.
Uh-huh.
Nice community, Angela.
Tak. Nice.
But this song sounds
What do you mean?
Russian.
I don't know.
Maybe he is the basker from Ukraine, actually. But at least he tried his best, right? The Jason in Singapore also Japanese in Singapore and try his best, then married the Singaporean lady and become the Singaporean peer, and even government of Singapore sponsor him, so who knows?
Oh yeah, maybe government of Poland gonna sponsor me one day.
At least he tried his best, alright?
At least I also try my best
Exactly.
here in Poland.
Maybe one day somebody will sponsor us as well, huh? At least in Poland.
It's nice. It's beautiful. Sometimes I'm just, leave it quiet without any comment, just to make our viewers can feel how it feels actually walking here.
Exactly. That's the thing. That's so far you enjoying, sayang?
Yeah.
Nice fountain.
It's nice actually. People coming here also taking picture, enjoying dinner. So dinner with the view of this, basically. And here in the front, you see this
The Bangkok.
Bangkok restaurant is actually open. Yes, they already have a 3 branches here, Kohani. That's the baskers. Tak.
Also nice painting on the top of the building. Where is the basket?
Tak,
The
nice.
green one.
Nice.
Very nice thing.
Tak. Time for having an ice cream. Actually, that's the free tea shop. This one, ice cream, and here is the Rogal Swento Marcinski. But we coming here for the ice cream. So we decided to buy ice cream. It's very hot, right?
And my new favorite place for ice cream. I like this type of ice cream. It's so good. I already eat little bit, so it doesn't look that nice, but it's nice taste. It's so milkish,
I think that's all our video today, guys. Stroll around Poznan and welcome home. Poland is our home, right?
It is indeed.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.